In this lecture, we're going to explore another operator for suppressing errors. Errors are a common occurrence in programming. You should always try your best to resolve an error. However, you may find yourself short on time. If that's the case, it's possible to suppress errors with the error control operator. Let's look at an example we're already familiar with. In the variable dump function, replace the value passed into the function with the following code: string, left bracket, 1, right bracket. In this example, we're typecasting an array to a string. PHP doesn't like this. As you can see from the preview, we get a warning from our code. Despite the warning, PHP has typecasted the array into the word array. If we're short on time, we may not have time to properly address this error. PHP gives us the option of suppressing the error by adding the @ character at the beginning of the line of code. If an error gets thrown, PHP ignores it. In this example, I'm converting an array into a string, which is not allowed. Typically, this line of code throws an error. Thanks to the error control operator, nothing will be output onto the screen. I really want to emphasize that you should use this operator sparingly. PHP has plenty of features to help you avoid errors in your code. This operator should almost never be necessary. Despite that, it may come in handy one day. In the next lecture, let's keep exploring other operators.